Every time you buy something online, it feels like a simple decision. You browse a store, see a product, check the price, and click buy. But what most people don't realize is that in many online stores today, AI is quietly making most of those decisions for you. Not in an obvious way, not with robots or chatbots talking to you, but silently in the background. Let me explain exactly how this works step by step in the simplest way possible. When you open an online store, the products you see first are not random. AI decides which products appear at the top, which ones are pushed down, and which ones are shown together. It looks at things like what you've clicked on before, how long you stay on certain pages, and what people similar to you usually buy. That means two people can open the same store at the same time and see completely different products. You think you're browsing freely, but AI is guiding your attention. Next comes pricing. Most people believe prices in online stores are fixed. They're not. AI constantly changes prices based on demand, stock levels, competitor pricing, time of day, and how likely you are to buy. If a product starts selling fast, the price can quietly increase. If something isn't moving, the price drops automatically. In some cases, different users may even see different prices without realizing it. Humans cannot react this fast. AI can. Behind the scenes, AI also manages inventory. It predicts which products will sell, how fast they will sell, and when they will run out. Using past sales data and seasonal trends, AI sends reorder signals before humans even notice a problem. In many stores today, no human decides what to restock anymore. AI does. This reduces losses, prevents stockouts, and saves money. Now let's talk about product pages. Many product descriptions you read online are not written by humans. AI writes product titles, descriptions, and bullet points. It creates multiple versions, tests them, and keeps the one that converts the best. Some stores even use AI to generate or enhance product images. The goal is simple: increase sales with less effort. Marketing is another area where AI quietly takes control. AI decides who sees ads, when they see them, and which message works best. It continuously tests thousands of ad variations, adjusts budgets automatically, and shuts down ads that don't perform. What once required an entire marketing team is now handled by algorithms running 24/7. AI also handles customer communication. It sends order updates, answers common questions, recovers abandoned carts, and manages basic return requests. Most customers never realize they're interacting with AI because it's designed to sound natural. Humans only step in when something unusual happens. There's also the security side. AI monitors transactions in real time to detect fraud, fake returns, and suspicious behavior. When something looks wrong, AI blocks the transaction or flags it for review. This protects the store without constant human supervision. When you step back and look at the full picture, something becomes clear. AI decides what you see. AI influences what you pay. AI predicts what sells. AI manages inventory. AI runs ads. AI handles customers. AI protects the store. So the question becomes, is the store owner running the business or supervising an AI that is? The truth is, many e-commerce stores today are no longer run manually. They are AI-managed systems with human oversight. The stores that succeed in the future won't necessarily have the biggest teams. They'll be the ones that understand and use these invisible systems better than everyone else. AI isn't taking over loudly. It's doing it quietly, one decision at a time. And most people don't even notice. If you want simple, clear explanations of how AI is actually changing businesses behind the scenes, subscribe, because the future isn't loud, it's silent.